Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome sync is paused on a PC. So, if you are logged in or already signed into your account in Chrome, but apparently when you start opening it again, that you found that you already log out from your account, and here you can see that the sync is paused and you are wondering how you can fix that, you can just follow my steps right here. So first, you just need to click on this pause button. You can see that the sync is paused and I'm not signed in. So what you need to do is just sign in to your account again. So click on this button, enter your emails or phone number, tap on next, and then just enter your password. So here I'm going to log in again. You can tap on next, and just like that, the problem is solved. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.